Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing pig trotters and that is also without oil. To prepare this recipe, first you need to roast it. That is the secret behind this recipe. Mayam ngasi ko makong thongarge asida thau habroi thau haptrasu yam haubane duga ningsinggadauba duga sigi recipe gi koide mru oibisi o khongsi lau first lau thokadawne ko asi lau thokpasi koide mru oibisi ko lau thoktana thongradi namme ko adu mayam thong haurasi. So let's start preparing it. These are the ingredients I'll be using, very few only. I have roasted and cleaned the pig trotters. And make sure to clean this area very well, or you can just take it out, cut out the skin. And I've got generous amount of garlic, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of ginger, green chilies, 1 tomato, 1 medium-sized onion, and culantro, or you can use coriander leaf. These are some of the ingredients I'll be using. You can adjust the size of the pig trotters, but we prefer to cut it into big pieces. Sising oire yamde ko garlic leire, ginger leire, pyaz duga sa maroi duga tomato ma hap ke ko tomatoes ne kaji taste khara hena haw hande ko aduga umrok ti hab roi ge asom de umrok tang mane ne ko. In a pressure cooker, put the trotters and put everything: chili, ginger, garlic, onion and all. Some of the culantro as well, save some for garnishing. Samro sahab chili se. Roughly chop the tomato, salt, thum, turmeric powder, little bit of chili powder to give a nice color. Thum morok powder duga turmeric half kre ko color kre phajana ngai ko. And water. Put enough water and mix it up. And I'll pressure cook this for 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on the size of the meat as well. As I say, 30-40 minutes pressure cooked. After the first whistle, reduce the flame and cook it on low flame. Pressure cooker amra khongbum tung the mai sipi khale thong se ko. This is after 35 minutes of pressure cooking. It's soft now, but I want to reduce the water a bit. Ising si khra yaman le ko, du khra reduce taw gi. Ngasai hap du khra yaman grab ne. Mahi pa mo edi hap ai ko. Do ai di mahi si khra kang han ge. Garnish it with culantro leaf. Already manam su phajare si phajana mun grabne mun bahai bidi phajana soft oi rabne ko soft oi tardi haute si ok ki mukhong se ko aduga cha ba na dum machet tar ni ko soft oi bai ko. It's done. Switch off the flame. Now it's time to enjoy. This is my oilless chili pickle. And look at this. Yummy. I'm trying this fern for the first time. We don't usually eat it. This is try to try to drigo fern sigo. Superb. It's crunchy after it's cooked also. See my stem sing softy oily was made pagani gum. Or to tap on the doom crunchy oily gum. However, it's nice. I didn't expect this. Wow. It's just awesome. Super. How I put it? Okong juga. Soft oil ni. Okong thong se soft oil dari how te buko. You soft so oil re duga. Mahau su put it like hen soft oil. I just love this curry. It just fall apart. And this is what I love. Just coming out. Mainit. The chili pickle is delicious. How is chili pickle? Hangam gi smell aroma la ego. Adu thum di khara ya e. Adu no have kan khara reduce the wo chili pickle is. Present pet crab ni se. Ya ya de sing su za ya ni ti ko. Do how ne sum pet de su how ti bu ko. Present ne pet ni thong ho. It's just finger licking good. Pura mai nang si si. How bada. Sab lo rang si desi wai lo sin lo lage. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please try out this simple yet delicious pig trotters without oil. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.